continuing with question 7. So in the previous class we solved certain questions on the forward pattern, right? Today we'll be starting question with a reverse pattern. This question is of reverse pattern. Let's see how. P is 16, E is 5, R is 18, S is 15. Sorry, my bad. S is 19, O is 15, N is 14, right? L is 12, M is 13, Q is 17, P is 16, C is 3, N is 14. See, if we subtract 2 in 16, we'll get 14. Okay? 16 minus 2 is 14. 5 minus 2 is 3. 18 minus 2 is 16. 19 minus 2 is 17. 15 minus 2 is 13. And 14 minus 2 is 12, right? So let's see. R 18 है, E 5 है, A is 1, S is 19, O is 15, N is 14. What we have to do? We have to subtract 2 from each of them और position क्या करनी है? Reverse कर देनी है. 9 का इधर आएगा, O का इधर, S का over here, A का इधर आएगा, E का इधर आ जाएगा, and then R का इधर आएगा, right? So 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 is what? L. Then 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 is what? M. ठीक है? 19 minus 2 is 17 and 17 is what? Q. 1 minus 2 will be what? 25. 25 is what? X. Next we have 5 minus 2, 3. 3 is what? C. And 18 minus 2 is 16. 16 is what? P. ठीक है? Now the question comes कि 1 minus 2 minus 1 होता है. How come minus 1 is equals to 25? So the trick over here that we know that we have already covered in alphabetical series is अगर हमारे पास कोई भी position negative में आती है, so what we have to do, we have to simply subtract it from 26 and whatever answer that we get, whatever position that we get is your answer, right? 25, यहाँ पे भी 25, यहाँ पे भी 25. Understood now? So our final answer for this question is PMQXCP, right? Okay, moving on to the next question. R is 18, A is 1, M is 13, A is 1, N is 14. ठीक है? T is what? T is 20, Y is 25, again O is 15, Y is 25, P is 16. So let's see इसमें ट्रिक क्या है हमारे पास रमन एंड TYOYP में. Okay. 13 minus what कि 15 आएगा, मतलब 13 में से हम कितना 13 में क्या करेंगे, what we'll do in 13 के हमारे पास 15 आएगा. So if we add 2 तो हमारे पास 15 आ जाएगा, ठीक है. Then 14 और 16 में क्या रिलेशन है, +2 कर देंगे. 18 और 20 में क्या रिलेशन है, +2 कर देंगे. Coming to this A and Y, इसमें we have cross relation we can say, और same relation भी बोल सकते हो, you can say that. ठीक है. 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 2. देखो 1 minus 2 is minus 1. माइनस पोजिशन आ जाएगी तो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम 26, तो 25 आ जाएगा. या तो इसे आप डायरेक्ट कर लो, ए और वाई का डायरेक्ट रिलेशन यू कैन से इट, ठीक है, इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग थिंग्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. यहाँ पे -2 डायरेक्ट आ सकता है, +2 -2 +2 -2 +2 ऐसे कर लो, ठीक है. सो 1 -2 -1 26 -1 25, यहाँ पे भी 25, यहाँ पे भी 25. सो N is 14, O is 15, R is 18, T is 20, H is 8. So what we have to do, +2 -2 +2 -2 and +2, ठीक है. 14 + 2 is 16, 16 is what? P. 15 minus 2 is 13, 13 is what? M. 18 + 2 is 20, 20 is what? T. 20 minus 2 is 18 and 18 is what? R. 8 + 2 is 10 and 10 is what? G. So our final answer for this question is PMTRJ, ठीक है. Okay, moving on, the next question that we have is Shyam. Yes. Okay, the next question that the next term that we have is Shyam. S is 19, H is 8, Y is 25, A is 1, M is 13. J is what? 10, X is 24, V is 22, E is 5, P is 16. So let's see relation क्या है. ओके, सो 19 और 16 में कोई रिलेशन है. 19 और 16 में 16 17 18 19 +3 करेंगे तो हमारे पास माय बैड -3 करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 16, ठीक है. देन 8 और 5 में -3, 25 और 22 में -3, 1 और 24 में -3, 13 और 3 में -3 10. So -3 करना है, ठीक है. So let's see, P is what 16, I is 9, N is 14, K is 11, U is 21. हमें क्या करना है सब में, we have to do -3, ठीक है. जो लास्ट है मतलब रिवर्स चल रहा है, दिस इज अ रिवर्स सीरीज राइट, ये रिवर्स सीरीज चल रहा है. तो U का सबसे पहले आएगा, देन K का आंसर आएगा, देन N, देन I एंड देन फाइनली P, ठीक है. 16 - 3 13 M. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ओके माय बैड, 21 - 3, 21 - 1 करेंगे 20 आएगा, -2 करेंगे 19 आएगा, -3 करेंगे 18 आएगा, 18 इज R, ठीक है. 11 - 3 विल बी व्हाट, 1 माइनस करेंगे 10, 2 माइनस करेंगे 9, 3 माइनस करेंगे 8, 8 इज व्हाट H. 14 - 3 is -3 right, yes. 14 - 3 11, 11 is what K. Next 9 - 3 6, 6 is what F, 6 is F, ठीक है. 16 - 3 is 13 and 13 is M. So our final answer is R H K F M, right? This is our answer. Moving on to the next question, the term that we have over here is dancer. So D is 4, A is 1, N is 14, C is 3, E is 5, R is 18. D is again 4, G is 7, E is 5, P is 16, S is 19, T is 20. If you notice, 4 plus 5 6 7, 5 6 7 plus 3, 1 plus 3 4, then 14 plus 2 is 16, 3 plus 2 is 5, then okay, so this is -1, right? 18 - 1 19, and this is E minus 1 should be 4. So okay, so over here what we have is 4 and this is D, ठीक है. D G E P S D. E minus 1 देखो यहाँ पे 18 है, 18 minus 1, 18 plus 1 कर रहे हैं तो 19 आ रहा है. In the same way 5 plus 1 करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, 6 आएगा, and 6 is what, 6 is F, ठीक है. सो +3 +3 +2 +2 +1 +1 क्रॉस में चल रहा है, ठीक है. सो P is 16, U is 21, B is 2, L is 12, I is 9, C is 3. हमें क्या करना है, +3 +3 करना है, +2 +2 करना है, +1 +1 करना है. ये कैसे चलेगा, क्रॉस में चलेगा, क्रॉस में, राइट. ओके, 21 plus 3 is 24, 16 plus 3 is 19. 24 कौन सा लेटर होता है, 24 is what, X, 19 is what, S, then 2 plus 2 is 4, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 is what, N, 4 is what, D, ठीक है. Then 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 plus 1 is 10, 4 is what, D, 10 is what, J. So our final answer is X, S, N, D, D, J. This is our answer. Okay, moving on, the term that we have is Pramod. P is 16, R is 18, A is 1, M is 13, O is 15, D is 4. S is 19, O is 15, D is 4, J is 10, R is 18, A is 1. So let's see what relation we have over here. Okay, 16 है, 17, 18, 19 plus 3, ठीक है. 18 है और 15 है, so -3, यहाँ पे +3, 13 और 10 -3, 15 18 +3, 4 1 -3, +3 -3 +3 -3 ऐसे हो रहा है, ठीक है. So the trick is +3 -3 +3 -3. The term over here is Keshav. K is 11, E is 5, S is 19, H is 8, A is 1, V is 22. What we have to do, +3 -3 +3 -3 +3 and -3. So 11 plus 3 is your 14, 14 is N. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 is B. 19 plus 3 is 20, 21, 22. 22 is what? Q, R, S, T, U, V, right? 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 is what? E. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is D. And 22 minus 3 is what? 22 में से 2 minus कर दो 20 आ जाएगा, फिर 1 minus करोगे, so we'll have 19, and 19 is what? S. So our final answer is N, B, V, E, D, S. This is our final answer. So this is it for today. If you have any doubt, please mention it in the comments below. I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you.